Alright, to the right of me here is Bert. We're at the Bert range, and we're going to be pulling up some Tannerite. We've got 10 pounds in a microwave. We got a pallet. We got a check helmet there. You've seen that in the video. We've got some tracers. It's dusk out here now, so hopefully you can see the tracers. And hopefully we'll be doing some more videos out here. Yeah. We're blowing some stuff up. I don't know. This is a whole range of... He's from Missouri, so he likes blowing stuff up. So let's go with the program. All right. So our contraption consists of the microwave, the pallet, and I got my helmet over here. And maybe if we get lucky enough, this helmet will fly somewhere. I don't know. Hopefully we can even launch this pallet up. That would be pretty cool. We'll see.
Oh, it's gone.
All gone. Here's a piece here.
That's a piece.
There's a piece. So we were kind of a little closer than recommended. Let me zoom out here. We were a little too close. Like, let me show you something. Here's some of the pallet. What is that? What do you have there?
Something.
I don't even know. Well, here's where the pallet was. That's where we were. So we were kind of close. Oh, here's the helmet. So the helmet's still intact. That's good. Like
oh, it's cracked.
Yeah, we cracked it a little bit more. That thing sped through some stuff, man. We got some shrapnel here. Oh, there's another camera.
Yeah.
That's still intact. That's good, because that's, you know, another 150 bucks. We got wood shards like everywhere. Dude, they're everywhere. This is epic. Good stuff. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.